Let's see how this works. You have the settings all correct. You've previewed this as at least one parent. Now it's time to enter in some feedback or work completion. Go back to your Google Sheet and let's just use the Monday math assignment number 1. Type in some feedback. It can be a couple of words. It could be done. It could be more narrative. You can add in as much detail as you would like. I'm going to just copy this over so that we can put this in quicker. Now, this is what you'll do all week long. On the parent view, when you come back in here, it will automatically change for them on their end. For our purposes, we're going to reload the sheet. Give it a minute and it will pull through. So you can see for Caitlin, she was done with math assignment number 1. When you refer to your sheet, that's true. If you want to look at maybe Sydney's, go back into the app, preview it as Sydney's parent email, and you can see, Sydney, this is for you, for them to email you, and then here's the narrative or the feedback that you've provided for Sydney. One thing you might want to think about, but is not necessary, you may want to think about putting your email as the very last option. Notice that none of the other options show up. That's because there's nothing filled in these cells. You can go out of order. For example, if you wanted to do the feedback for Wednesday's math assignment before you do Tuesday's math assignment, it works the same. Again, for our purposes, I'm just going to reload the sheet. It's completely not necessary. It keeps your assignments in the correct order, even when you go back and you fill it in on Tuesday. Over the course of the week, it might be easier if your email is the last thing. You might feel it's better that it's the first. You can adjust that. Hover over the email box and grab onto those 6 dots and you can move it. I would move it all the way to the bottom and then let go. And you can see your app quickly refreshes. Congratulations, 1 step left.